This is our first commercial version, version 2, where all the plastics were 3D printed and the cases and PCB were designed by us. The alarm is intended to be fixed in the wall, away from the flood height, and the sensor in this version is wired and should be fixed near ground level. It has a float ball that, when it's reached by the flood water, fires a siren. Let's try it. This is one of the prototypes of version 3, this time microcontrolled and wireless. The gateway has a display to show the alerts, a buzzer that sounds the alarm, and a camera module to take the pictures of the events. From time to time, it sends all the data from the sensor to an application server on the internet. The sensor module connects to the gateway via RF and sends the sensor measures after waking up from sleep mode to save battery. In this test, we are monitoring the power consumption of the batteries that is recorded on the application server. Let's simulate a flood through this deep switch. That simulates a simple magnetic float ball sensor. The buzzer sounds and the alert is shown in the display. The flashlight is turned on to take the picture. Now let's go back to normality. Again, the display shows the normal message. Now let's simulate a loss of connection between the sensor and gateway, disconnecting the battery. I disconnected the battery. The time to the gateway detect the sensor connection loss is configured in the interface. The display shows the message sem conexão, connection lost, and the application server sends a message for the user to check physically the sensor. When the connectivity with the sensor is normalized, the display shows the normal message again. This is just a flood demo. Last night rained and I let the web interface configured to alarm if the stream being monitored reached over 10 centimeters high, and it reached 11 centimeters as shown in the display. Then the alarm was activated. The ultrasonic sensor is 70 meters away in the bridge monitoring the stream level. This is the field test for the version 3. This is the gateway that is in my kitchen, monitoring the level of stream that's near here. The stream is after that wall, and the sensor is fixed in a bridge. This is where the sensor is installed. This model has one ultrasonic sensor plus 2 float ball sensors, and it monitors the level of the stream. These are the float ball sensors. There is the bridge and here is the wall, and this is the stream that where the flood happens sometimes. The next step is to try a better low power solution for the RF system.